In this video, I am going to show you how to group elements in Wix. So let's see how we can do it. Open your Wix website editor and here you will see all the elements that you have used on your website. Let's say I want to group this welcome text and button. So I am going to click here and then select these elements. And on the top we will see a button group elements. And as you can see that our elements are now grouped. And now we can move all these elements at once. And as you can see that all the elements will be moved. And now if I select this group and move it, and as you can see that all the elements will be moved. And if I decrease the size of this group, and as you can see that size for all the elements are now decreased. The second way to group your elements is that select the first element. Now press shift from your computer. Now select all the elements that you want in a group. And then from the top just click on group elements. And in this way your elements will be grouped. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.